Hello, in this video I'll show you how to swap Solana on Trust Wallet. Now it's extremely easy process. So what you have to do is just simply open your browser. Then firstly go to your Trust Wallet. After that, just simply scroll down and click on Manage Crypto. Then just simply search for Solana and enable this option right over here. Once you do that, it will be shown in the home page as you can see right over here. Now, the second thing that you have to do is just simply go to a website called Radium. Just simply search it on Google, you will be able to find it easily. Click on the first option and then click on I agree and click on enter. Now the first thing that you have to do is you have to connect your wallet. So click on connect wallet and choose trust wallet right over here. Then just simply click on connect and it will connect with your Solana wallet as you can see right over here. Now over here Solana is already selected. All you have to do is just simply choose whatever coin you want to swap into. Let's say for example USDT or USDC. It's totally up to you. Now enter the amount of Solana that you want to swap. That's for example 50. You will be able to see how much you will be getting. So as you can see, this is the amount that you will be getting. And now all you have to do is just simply complete the transaction over here and you will be good to go. But make sure that you have a minimum balance over here as you can see, because without that you will not be able to do anything. So that's it, and if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.